Hey everybody, I hope you're well. My name is Chris Pistorius. I'm the CEO of KickStart Dental Marketing. Today I want to show you an incredible new offering that we have for our clients and potential new clients. It's called PatientLine AI, and it's just one of the series of 4 AI services that we've recently rolled out. This is essentially a new employee for you at a fraction of the cost of what it would cost you to hire one. This is a voice AI agent. Now, some people, when they hear AI, they automatically think, nope, not going to do that. That's scary. That's fake, kind of negative annotations towards AI. I want to tell you that that is not the case here. This has the potential to fill a lot of voids in your practice. And I'm going to go over a quick demo here of our PatientLine system, the setup that we do, and how it can solve some problems for your practice. And then we're actually going to do a voice demo with Taylor, who is the voice AI agent here, and show you what she is capable of in your practice. So you will have access to our software system where you'll be able to log in. And this software system does a lot of stuff. I'm just showing you the patient AI or PatientLine AI system now. But I want you to know this isn't a software that we're just going to sell you and then we'll give you some training or whatever and you set it up and you run with it. Like everything else that we do here at KickStart, this will actually be set up for you by our AI people, and they will set this all up, train it for you, and it's a fully managed service, but you'll have access to Taylor using this. So you can log in at any time and tweak things if you want to, test her, do whatever you want to. But this is basically what it'll look like. You name your agent. Like I said, we named her Taylor already. You put your business name in here. You check out what voice you want. Here's a great voice that we've tested that we like the best. There you go. What language you want, time zone. These will pick up all your inbound calls, whether it's overflow during the day or if it's after hours, before hours. And we will have some clients that'll use this as their full-time reception service, so that the front desk is more focused on other things versus just picking up the phone. So this has a big potential within your practice. And you can see here it's grayed out right now because we're not quite ready with it, but it's going to be outbound calling as well capable. So if you want to follow up with patients, find out, if they're going to use you, if they didn't schedule on the first call or what it might be, send out reminders. The sky's the limit here. And then we'll set up for you the initial agent's message. And that's kind of the setup there. Over here, you can see where it says test your agent. We're going to use that in just a second, but you can come in here at any time and actually do a test call with Taylor and quiz her on some things. And if there are some things that you want her to say that she's not, you just let us know and we can fix that for you, or you'll actually have the capability to come in and do this as well. We'll set up goals for Taylor. So this is kind of the prompt. If you know anything about AI, it's, the prompt is very important. It's kind of garbage in, garbage out type thing. I want you to know right now, though, that we train Taylor as you would train one of your new employees. So Taylor is going to know your culture there, your tone, how you would respond to specific situations. And we want to train her as much as we can like a real person and a real employee that would be answering the phones for you. So it's not just a standard AI, this is the script for every client. Taylor's going to be trained and customized specifically for your practice. If you're more of a humorous practice and you like to joke around with people, we can have Taylor do that. If you're more serious and you're like direct to the point, certainly we can do that with Taylor as well. So there's a lot of options there. We will also set up workflows so that if Taylor takes a message or something, we can set up a workflow to follow up with that patient in a few minutes with a text message or an email or the next day, or really however we want to do it. So Taylor can kind of continue to follow up with people and get them back in to try to schedule patients for you. We also do set it up on an availability basis. So basically, when do you want the agent to work? Do you want her to work all day, every day, or just before, after hours, overflows? How do you want us to set that up? So we'll do that for you as well. What's really cool is that Taylor has her own dashboard, so you can go in at any time and see how many calls Taylor's taken, what's the overall sentiment. If somebody gets on there and is like, oh, I hate AI, you don't answer my questions, and you're like negative, that will show up here. And then it shows like calls completed over a time frame. It'll show you average duration of a call. It'll show you all kinds of stuff. It'll show you each call, and you can click and read a summary that AI will write for you. You can read the actual transcript right here. You can grade the call. And it will be recorded for you as well. These two calls weren't recorded, but they will be recorded for you. So you can really understand what's happening with these calls if you like to. This is all HIPAA secure. So this entire system is HIPAA compliant. So you don't have to worry about any of that. That's all set up for you. Okay, let's give Taylor a test. We're actually going to do a live demo here, and I'm going to ask her some questions about a mock practice that we've got set up here. So you can get a little bit of an idea of what Taylor's capable of and how natural the flow sounds. So I'm going to have her actually call me for this, so that's kind of how we set these things up. So let me have her call my phone. Hopefully you'll be able to hear this. 1 second here.
Hi, you have reached Proactive Dental Care. This is Taylor, your dental coordinator. How can I help you today?
Hi, where are you guys located?
We're located at 12760 Stroh Ranchway, Suite 100A, in Parker, Colorado. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Oh, is that close to that grocery store?
Yes, it is. We're near the grocery store in that area. It's pretty convenient. Anything else you'd like to know?
Yeah, what insurances do you accept?
We accept most insurance plans, including Cigna, Delta Dental, Aetna, and Humana. However, we don't accept Medicaid or Medicare. If you have any specific questions about your plan, our front desk can help when they follow up with you. Anything else I can assist with?
Yeah, I was kind of curious on, I'm a little bit nervous at the dentist. Do you have any sedation options or ways to calm me down?
I totally understand feeling a bit nervous about dental visits. We do offer options to help make your visit more comfortable, like sedation dentistry. Our dental team can discuss the best approach for you during your appointment. Would you like me to help set up a time for someone to reach out and schedule that?
Not quite yet. I did have another question, if that's okay.
Of course. Feel free to ask anything else you need. I'm here to help.
Okay, how much would a new patient exam be?
We have a new patient special right now for $149. It includes an exam, x-rays, and an initial cleaning. Would you like to schedule that?
Yeah, I think I would.
Great, let's get started. Could you please provide your first and last name?
Sure, it's Chris Pistorius.
Thanks, Chris. And what's the best phone number to reach you at?
720-934-1125.
Got it, 720-934-1125. What days and times typically work best for you to schedule the appointment?
Next Tuesday in the morning would be best for me.
Perfect. I'll pass along your preference for Tuesday mornings to our front desk team. They'll reach out soon to confirm the appointment. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's it. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome, Chris. Thank you for contacting Proactive Dental. Our team will follow up with you shortly. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.
So that's it. That's a pretty good example. Again, we can train Taylor just specifically for you. Some people take Medicaid, some don't. We can list out every insurance that you accept, or we can just say, well, we'll have to have the front desk contact you about that type of information. We've also trained Taylor to never talk about specific, like if they say, I think my gums are swollen, what do you think it might be? Taylor will never try to answer those questions. They'll always refer back to the front desk for that. So that's another thing that we do. But she's a pretty complete system right now, and she's just going to continue to get better and smarter. So I'm going to wrap this up right now with this, but I'm hoping that you're impressed with this and you're as excited about it as I am, because I really believe that this is the future of at least this side of dentistry. But if you have any questions, if you need any help with this, or if you just want to do a demo by yourself with it, that's cool too. Just let me know. Feel free to reach out. My email is chris@kickstartdental.com. Or you can give us a call at 720-776-8599. That's my direct line. So I hope you liked it, and we'll talk to you next time.